Kasiloy, this is Iram Limatog of CDN Digital. I'm here outside the Cabantan Public Cemetery where vendors are setting up their stalls for the Kalag-Kalag weekend. The city government recently issued a rule banning unauthorized vending inside of the cemetery premises. On one hand, vendors at the Cabantan Cemetery like Louis Cahayon and his family have long been accustomed to the practice, having sold their flowers, candles, and food outside the cemetery proper for years.
So we have been selling for almost 60, 70 years na dari mo gini siya amo ang pwesto. Much better sad gyud nga nara siya sa gawas kay para mas less man good ang hassle sad ba. Kay example mong good kung sa sulod magtinda ang mga vendors like kami, lisod sad kayo kay maka-disturb sad ta, particularly sa kanang mga managkot kay pananglitan lang aba kay sa sulod. So ang kanang tuyo sa mga tao sa sulod ng tagid is mag-pray labi na sa ilahang mga namatyan na. Pero if ever kung kami dito nagsige migtinda niya samo kayo sa maka-disturbo sad mi. So ang setup gid namo diri is mao na gini among setup nga nagin mi dapli na gid sa dalan.
Meanwhile, Barangay Careta has allowed vendors inside their public cemetery as long as they have registered and that they don't block entry and exit points of the area. Most vendors in the Careta Public Cemetery have depended on the Kalag-Kalag season for extra income, like Richelle Tigbao, who has sold candles and flowers during the holidays since childhood.
Lisod man ang pwesto nga to sa gawas kaysa nga rin sa sud. Kay ang kasagaran gud ang mga tawo nga manual dito naman ang gud sa sud. Mas pabor man sa pwesto sa sud kaysa gawas. Pwede raman siya ma'am, basta dili kami makasamok or makasagabal sa mangagi or sa manangkot.
To ensure peace and order, City Mayor Nestor Archival recently ordered stricter rules from October 31 to November 3. Unauthorized vending and blockage of access routes in cemeteries are banned, with violators possibly facing fines or arrest. This is Iram Limatog for CDN Digital. Visit our website at cdn.ph for more news about the Kalag-Kalag season.